Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris and welcome back to another review. Now today I teamed up with the Vintage Pattern Company to do some reviews on their dope patterns. Now, before I get into all the reviews and everything, I just want to let you know, when I first started sewing, Vintage Patterns saved my sewing experience. It kept me motivated, kept me inspired. So the cool thing about the Vintage Pattern Company, they have so many different styles that are classic and endless. They will never go out of style, which means you can always go and find something dope that you can translate in what your style is today. So the first vintage pattern I'm going to review today is the men's slacks and shorts. Now, this is what it looks like right here. Are really cool deep pleats, and also they come in shorts. Now I love this particular style because if you didn't know, baggy is in, and these are very relaxed with a nice baggy kind of feel to it, but still tapered and real clean and classic. Now they have a double pleat, and also they have a nice high waist to it, so it always brings a nice little detail when it comes to your trousers, and it elongates your body too, depending on how you style your fit up. Now this next vintage pattern is the men's convertible collared shirt. It looks sort of like this. As you can see, you got the pockets in the front. You have the nice pointy thick collar to bring a nice vintage feel to it. Now I like this shirt because you can dress it up by putting on the patch pockets, and depending on what kind of material you use, like flannel or like a camo print or something like that, it'll bring a more modern feel to it, but also have a nice vintage details. Now on the flip side, you don't have to use the patch pockets or the flaps and make a clean, crispy white button-up shirt that you can wear on a more dressy or more formal kind of outfit. You see what I'm saying? So this right here is a really cool pick. I love the sizing of it, and it's definitely something that has all the menswear details. It has the pockets, it has the cuffs. It has an option for a patch pocket and flaps on the front. You can do both. You can just do one on the left. So this is really versatile, and I'm definitely gonna be making this very soon. Now this next vintage pattern is called the men's beach set shirt and swim shorts. Now I've personally made this one before. It has a nice little cabana top with the little swim shorts, and this is one of my favorite swimwear patterns. Now, even though it has a vintage flair to it, it still has a nice stylish modern look to it. Now, the version I made was an all silky kind of black look, and I was able to wear it outside of going to the pool. It was just a nice vibe. Now, because it's currently summer, this is a really dope pattern to use when it comes to swimwear. And let's be honest, fellas, we don't get too many menswear swimwear. So this right here is a really cool go-to, and I would definitely recommend you rocking this before the summer ends. Now this last vintage pattern is the men's Western shirt. Now, I gotta be honest, I literally just bought a Western cowboy hat. I got boots. Now this right here will be the perfect shirt for me to rock with all the new accessories I bought for it. Now, if you've been keeping up what Pharrell been doing with Louis Vuitton, he's been doing a lot of Western inspired pieces. Now, this pattern right here will be the perfect go-to to kind of pull off any of those looks. And I will definitely be making this shirt a lot, especially when it started cooling back off closer to the fall. And oh no, every single detail that's on this shirt, I love. The snaps, the front yokes, the piping is just a go-to pattern for what I want to pull off. And then also too, it's just a classic Western shirt. You know, like this is never gonna go out of style, and the Vintage Pattern Company has it. Now when it comes to the DIY menswear community, we need as many options as possible when it comes to patterns, and the Vintage Pattern Company has so many different styles, different eras, and also designs that are classic and still you can rock today. Now that you've seen my vintage pattern review and you're inspired to go sew up some vintage patterns, definitely go visit their website at vintagesewingpatterncompany.com. And the cool thing about their website, it is translated in over 12 different languages, and it comes in PDF and also the AO file. And also, if you want to just order the paper version that I have right here, you get the pattern at reduced shipping cost. Now, if you choose to download the pattern, there's no shipping cost, and you get the pattern instantly. All right, I appreciate you watching this review. And once again, if you like what you saw and you want to go look at more vintage patterns, go visit their website at vintagesewingpatterncompany.com, and I will see you in the next review.